Retrieval-Augmented Generation, commonly known as RAG, is one of the most important breakthroughs in modern artificial intelligence, and understanding it has become essential for anyone who works with large language models, builds AI-powered products, or simply wants to understand how intelligent systems can combine factual accuracy with natural language responses. To truly understand what RAG is, why it matters, and how it works, we have to take a journey into the evolution of AI models, the challenges that come with relying solely on pre-trained knowledge, and the innovative way RAG solves those limitations by mixing two powerful ideas: retrieval of real-world information and generative reasoning. At its core, Retrieval-Augmented Generation is a framework that allows AI models to access external information sources at the moment they generate responses. Instead of relying entirely on what the model learned during training, it supplements that knowledge with documents, databases, or repositories that contain more accurate, more up-to-date, and more verifiable information. This combination results in AI systems that can answer with greater factual correctness, reduced hallucination, and far more customization. But to appreciate what makes her AG transformative, you need to understand the problem it was designed to solve. Large language models like GPT, Llama, Cloudgy, Gemini, Mistral, and others are trained on gigantic datasets, often consisting of books, articles, websites, code repositories, and much more. These datasets help models learn patterns of language, facts about the world, reasoning structures, and millions of relationships between concepts. But these models do not have unlimited memory, nor do they continuously update themselves. Once a model is trained, its knowledge becomes frozen in time, locked into its parameters. If the world sends new scientific discoveries, updated software instructions, new laws, new medical guidelines, the model does not automatically know about them. This means a state-of-the-art model trained in 2023 cannot magically know what happened in 2024 unless it is retrained, which is extremely expensive, time-consuming, and impractical. Not only that, but even within the scope of the data models do know, they still sometimes hallucinate. That means they generate information that sounds plausible but is factually wrong. This happens because the model is essentially predicting the next word based on statistical probability. Without grounding in external evidence, it can confidently invent dates, citations, formulas, or explanations, leading to unreliable results in situations where accuracy is critical. This is where RAG steps in. Retrieval-Augmented Generation solves this entire category of problems by designing a system where the model is not forced to rely only on what it remembers. Instead, whenever the model is asked a question, the system first retrieves relevant information from a database, document store, or knowledge base, and then the model uses that information as context before generating the final answer. Think of it as giving the AI a research assistant. Before answering, the AI looks through a curated library of facts, picks the right documents, reads them, and then uses that real, factual material to generate a response. This drastically reduces hallucination because the model is grounded in real data. It massively improves accuracy because the model can access information that wasn't included in its original training. It makes the system adaptable because anyone can update or expand the database without retraining the model. And it enables domain specialization, meaning companies or researchers can create AI systems that perform exceptionally well in fields like medicine, law, customer service, education, cybersecurity, engineering, or enterprise tools, all by adding domain-specific documents to the retrieval layer. To understand how RAG works internally, we can break it down into two major components: retrieval and generation. The retrieval part is responsible for searching and finding relevant information from a large collection of documents. But instead of using simple keyword search, RAG almost always uses something called vector embeddings and vector data. Embeddings are mathematical representations of text, where meaning is encoded as numerical vectors. This allows AI systems to understand the semantic meaning of text, not just raw keywords. For example, the terms car, automobile, and vehicle might be different words, but embeddings allow an AI system to understand they refer to similar concepts. So when a user asks a question, the system converts the question into an embedding, then searches the database for the closest semantic match. These matches might be paragraphs from PDFs, results from web patches, entries from internal company documentation, code snippets, troubleshooting steps, or any other form of text. Once the system retrieves several relevant pieces of information, those documents are passed to the second part of the RAG pipeline, the generation model, The generation part is typically a large language model, but instead of generating answers solely based on its training, the model now has a set of fresh, accurate, relevant documents to work with. These documents are inserted into the model's context window, allowing it to read them before responding. The final output becomes a combination of the model's reasoning abilities and the factual evidence provided by retrieval. If retrieval provides the facts, the model provides the intelligence, clarity, and organization. It's similar to how a human might handle a research task. You first gather articles or references, then you synthesize them into a clear, well-structured explanation. The model uses retrieved data as grounding, while its generative ability turns those details into fluent natural language. The real magic of RAG comes from the way these two components work harmoniously. Retrieval by itself isn't enough, because raw documents are not user-friendly. Generation without retrieval leads to hallucinations, but together, retrieval and generation create a system that feels like a knowledgeable assistant with perfect recall, instant access to research material, and the ability to clearly explain complex information. Now that we understand the architecture, let's examine why RAG is exploding in popularity across industries, research labs, and consumer applications. First, RAG significantly reduces hallucinations. Because the model relies on retrieved data, the likelihood of making up facts drops sharply. Second, RAG allows cost-effective updates. Instead of retraining or fine-tuning the model every time new information is added, you simply update the retrieval data. Third, RAG supports deep domain expertise. Large language models trained on general datasets cannot know the internal details of a company's workflows, product manuals, internal documentation, or confidential datasets. With RAG, a company can feed all their proprietary information into a retrieval system, giving the AI highly specialized knowledge without modifying the model itself. Fourth, RAG provides verifiable source material. Users can check the retrieved documents that the AI used to generate the answer, creating traceability and trust. Fifth, RAG improves security and privacy. Organizations can store sensitive data in secure internal databases and let the AI access it without exposing the data to external model providers. Sixth, RAG allows dynamic personalization. For example, a shopping assistant could retrieve user preferences or past purchases to offer personalized recommendations. A medical AI could retrieve a patient's history for more accurate analysis. And finally, RAG enables real-time relevance. If something changes today, market prices, inventory levels, weather conditions, stock performance of your retrieval layer can instantly pull updated information. Understanding these benefits helps explain why RAG is becoming the backbone of enterprise AI adoption. But the applications don't stop there. In customer support, companies use RAG-powered chatbots that can read knowledge bases, facts, policy documents, and troubleshooting guides. This enables highly accurate, always updated support responses. Instead of a generic chatbot guessing, the bot retrieves exact steps from an actual troubleshooting manual. In healthcare, RAG can provide doctors with up-to-date clinical research, medication interactions, medical guidelines, and patient records to ensure safer and more informed recommendations. In education, RAG can tailor explanations using textbooks, lecture notes, past assignments, or supplemental materials, making learning more precise and personal. In software development, RAG can retrieve code repositories, documentation, and API references to help developers debug or build software more efficiently. In legal fields, RAG can access case law, contracts, regulations, and legal precedents to produce legally grounded summaries In research, scientists can use RAG systems to retrieve peer-reviewed articles, datasets, or experimental results to assist with literature reviews or hypothesis generation. Even in everyday consumer use, RAG improves applications like personal assistants, search engines, and productivity tools. But as much as RAG is a major step forward, it's important to understand its limitations as well. While RAG improves accuracy, it cannot overcome low quality or incorrect data. If the retrieval system pulls outdated or misleading documents, the model will generate responses based on those flawed inputs. Another limitation is retrieval precision. If the embedding search selects irrelevant or incomplete documents, the model may produce suboptimal answers. Designing an effective RAG system requires careful curation of data sources, high-quality chunking, robust embedding strategies, and continual monitoring to ensure the system retrieves the right information. There's also the challenge of context window limits. Even though modern models have huge context windows, they still cannot load an entire database into memory, so retrieval must be selective. There are also concerns about latency. RAG involves additional computational steps embedding searches, database, queries, context, construction which can increase response time. Companies building RAG-based systems must optimize their infrastructure for speed, often using vector databases like Pinecone, Weaviate, Face, Quadrant, or Despite these challenges, the benefits far outweigh the limitations, and ongoing research continues to enhance RAG frameworks. One of the most exciting developments is multimodal retrieval. Traditional RAG works with text, but new systems allow retrieval of images, diagrams, audio, video, or structured data. Imagine an AI that not only retrieves text, but also relevant charts, images, code blocks, spreadsheets, medical scans, or engineering diagrams. Another innovation is agentic RAG, where retrieval steps are broken into multiple iterative cycles. The model retrieves information, reasons about what's missing, performs more targeted retrieval, and continues looping until it has everything it needs. This dramatically increases the depth and reliability of answers. There's also adaptive RAG, where the system automatically selects between different retrieval strategies depending on the query, and we're seeing the rise of hybrid RAG models that combine keyword search, vector search, graph search, and relational databases to achieve richer, more accurate results. Ultimately, retrieval-augmented generation is not just a technique. It is a fundamental shift in how AI interacts with knowledge, moving from static, memory-based intelligence to dynamic, evidence-backed reasoning. RAG transforms large language models from closed systems into open, expandable, and deeply customizable tools. It makes AI safer, more accurate, and more practical for real-world tasks. It democratizes access to advanced AI by allowing anyone to build powerful, domain-specific systems without massive computational resources. It turns AI into a living system that evolves with new data. It is the bridge between static training and real-time knowledge. And as the future unfolds, RAG will continue to grow as one of the foundational pillars of AI intelligence.